If you have multiple Pratica units, it's really important that maybe once you've got the menu right on one of them, that you can then transfer it easily onto another unit. This can be done again with the button at the bottom. Go into settings, our usual password, 456789. And then underneath here, we've got the USB button. This is going to allow me to export rather than import now. So if I press the export, I've got the choice to export the settings, which is how the unit's been set up, the groups with all the individual recipes and as they are set on the screen, or all of it. So all I need to do is input my USB stick, select export, and the machine will now export all of the values onto that stick. Another way of doing it, into the settings button, and towards the end here, we have export menu. So this is just basically about all the food that's set up on it. And here you can see we have the choice of USB or Wi-Fi, which Wi-Fi will be covered in another video. All we need to do now is put our stick in, press the button. We also get the same choices again. So again, export oil, all. And that's everything loaded onto my USB stick. That can then either be posted or sent to another machine to be uploaded.